This is a set of caregiver call system. Keeps you peace of mind. Power it on. Long press here. Light flashing OK. Press the button. Pairing successful. The handrest is pairing using the same way. After pairing successful, just a press of the red button. It alerts the speaker loudly. Local alarming. Sign up an account on the Smart Life app or Tuya app. Long press the Wi-Fi button on the receiver. LED light quick flashing. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. Select 2.4 grams Wi-Fi and connect. Add device. Searching for nearby device. Choose Wi-Fi and password. Device added successfully. Okay, well done. Rename the device as your favorite. Accessories setting. Choose the type to panic. Name your accessory. And save. A press of its original chime. Alarm chime is selectable as your favorite. Trigger it and confirm. Setting the chime for handrest SOS accordingly. Select another chime for it. Trigger it and confirm. Trigger it, OK. Trigger both buttons. Different sound as your selected chime. The volume is adjustable. Can share with your family, your sisters, brothers, son and daughter. If power off suddenly, it has a AC power failure notification on app, and the device is running normally. If power it on again, it also alert a notification on app.